arms like the branches of a poplar tree. Eyes like the ocean or the great blue sea. Love just like my mother's, a price that's not free. Voice like my father's when he screams, the house shakes. Dreams like my brother's, all we pray for his sake. Hopes just like my mother's, oh they last till they're awake. Ooh, that's my family. Oh, we don't like each other very much. Oh, I'm okay with that, but it breaks my mother's heart. That's my family. When I'm alone, that's when I feel the safest. Don't like being touched. Please don't give me a hug. That's my family.